Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello and welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. This is where we are cooking every day a new recipe for a new school day, जो tasty भी है और healthy भी. And today I'm going to make a lovely, beautiful, sweet recipe which is a strawberry vermicelli laddu. ये आपके बच्चे जो है ना खाकर एकदम आपके दीवाने हो जाएंगे क्योंकि आप बना रहे हैं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन एम्प्टी टिफिन. So this lovely strawberry laddu recipe is actually first a strawberry kheer which is made out of the vermicelli. So for the kheer, I need to reduce the milk with the sugar and then cook the vermicelli in it. और उसमें डालेंगे sugar. So the milk has to reduce a little bit so that when the vermicelli goes into it, it kind of soaks it up, becomes a thick mixture. Otherwise, laddu नहीं बनेंगे. So what I'm going to do is that I've got this pre-roasted vermicelli, जो कि हल्के से ऑयल में अगर आप चाहें तो खुशबू देने के लिए और भून सकते हैं. But otherwise, this is absolutely okay. Generally, in a sevia kheer, we add cardamom powder for flavor. But what I'm going to do is use a very clever twist. I'm going to use the Kissan Strawberry Blast in this. Yes, this is going to bring it a beautiful strawberry flavor, which is luscious and also going to give a lovely pink color. Just whisk in the strawberry jam so that it mixes well. So when you put it into heat, it starts melting back into like a sauce. Finally, I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. Big shout out to all the daddies out there. You know what? Cooking is not difficult. And finally, this mixture is absolutely ready. So in this, there is almonds, peanuts, walnuts and pistachios. But ज़्यादा quantity peanuts की है because peanuts are really rich in protein and they're a great source of energy. Now all you need to do is that make it nice and cold so that then you can work upon it and make laddus out of it. Nice and chilled, this has become thick as well. Now what I'm going to do is very simple, just dip my hands with a little bit of water and we're going to make laddus out of it. So just take a little bit of the mixture, press it and just make it nice round laddus. I have with me some more crushed peanuts and almonds and walnuts, just wet outside so that they soak up the powder of the nuts, just like this. And there you go. This is ready. Simple and easy, yet beautiful to taste. Let's get this inside the tiffin. Obviously, this is sweet, so obviously children would love to have something savory along with it. This is a quick chutney sandwich that I've made in brown bread. And fruits, always required. So some diced papaya. Healthy and tasty recipes for your tiffin boxes. That's always been a big challenge. So why won't you subscribe, like and share with all your friends that India Food Network has got Kissan Tiffin Timetable, जहाँ पे आप बना सकते हैं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.